Hello, my name is Vicente Cordova and I'm a student at LSCO. So I've been here about 8 years. I moved over here ever since 2017 when Hurricane Harvey hit. My first goal was to learn English, get my diploma, and then I'll do 2 years of college, which is the associate's degree. The reason I chose LSCO is because it offers you good training. You learn about safety essentials, professional behaviors. We have milling machines, lathes. We have all that kind of industrial stuff that you have to get into the industry or refineries or plants around the area. I love my instructors here because they will treat you right. They will explain things the right way, and they're experienced. They know what they're doing. I'm definitely thankful for this program because it has helped me grow a lot. Whatever you learn in school, you put your hands on in the field. My parents, they're really proud because I made it this far, and here I am. I'm almost done with my associate's degree, and with the foundation I got over here at LSCO, I can go anywhere, and I would definitely recommend it.